Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Crawl. Crawl means move on hands and knees. For example, they crawled out from under the table. They crawled out from under the table. Synonyms: creep, go on all fours, move on hands and knees.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exemplar. Closer and closer the child crawled, but nobody noticed. Now, repeat after me. Closer and closer the child crawled, but nobody noticed. The second exemplar. Each time he fell to his knees and crawled instead. Now, repeat after me. Each time he fell to his knees and crawled instead. The third exemplar. Jen falls to the ground, and quickly crawls over to Michael. Now, repeat after me. Jen falls to the ground, and quickly crawls over to Michael.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
The word triskaidekaphobia means extreme fear of the number 13. This superstition is related to paraskavidekatriophobia, which means fear of Friday the 13th.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.